Think about the last TV series you binge watch. You stop, but your brain keeps demanding to know what happened next. Why does your mind remember the half unfinished novel better than the essay you completely finished last week? It's not your fault, it's powerful cognitive bias called the Zeigarnik Effect. This psychological secret is the key to know conquering procrastination, and by the end of this video we will know exactly how to use it to finish every single call you started. Hi, this is Chi. The effect is named after Russian psychologist Pyotr Zekrin, who first observed this phenomenon in 1920s in Venice cafe. Zekrin noticed something strange. The waiters could flashily recall every details of an order, the cost, the modification, the table number, as long as the customer hadn't paid the bill. The moment the bill was settled and the task was completed, the memory of the order vanished. She proved this in a study where participants were asked to complete a series of puzzles. Half of the group was interrupted mid-task, while the other half was allowed to finish every puzzle. The result: the interrupted participants were likely to remember the detail of the task they had left incomplete. This provides that unfinished tasks create a powerful mental tension and open loop that keep the information locked in your short-term memory. Our brain hates open loops and constantly argue us to seek closure. We can now weaponize this effect against procrastination. Instead of feeling the tension as an anxiety, we use it as a motivation. Here are three simple, actionable ways to harness the Zeigarnik effect today. First, the 2-minute start. The hardest part of any task is getting started. To trigger the Zeigarnik effect, you only need to commit to the first 2 minutes of a task. Open the document, write the first sentence, or do the 5-minute push-ups. That single tiny incomplete task is enough to create the mental loop, and your brain will compel you to return and finish it later. Second, the intentional interruption. When studying or working on a big project, take a break in the middle of a sentence or a calculation. Do not stop when a section is perfectly complete. By stopping when the task is messy and incomplete, you maximize the cognitive tension. When you return, your recall will be much sharper and your motivation to finish will be immediately. Third, the night before trick. Before going to bed, leave one tiny simple task unfinished that relates to your biggest goal for tomorrow. Maybe you set out your gym clothes, or you title the empty Word document for your report. Your mind will process this open loop overnight, making it exceptionally easy to jump into a main task the next morning. The Zeigarnik effect reveals that the secret to motivation is not willpower, it's starting. You now have the knowledge to exploit your brain's natural preference for completion. Stop waiting for motivation, just start 2-minute task and let your psychology take care of the rest. If you find the psychological hack useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more science-based strategies to master your focus and productivity. Thank you for your watching.